Hello my dear children, how are you all? Hope you all are enjoying at home. I welcome you all to this wonderful rhyme time. Yes, it's buzzing sound. Do you know who makes this buzzing sound? Yes, bees, right? Honeybees. But where are the honeybees? Yes, I found something here. Do you know what is this? Yes, it is a beehive. What is this? A beehive. This is the place where honeybees live. Beehive. But where are the bees? I can't see any bees. Can you see some bees here? No. So where are the bees? Shall we sing a rhyme for the bees? Let's see whether they'll come out or not. Okay? Let's start. Here is the beehive. Where are the bees? Hidden away where nobody sees. Watch and see them come out of the hive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So all the bees are here. How many bees are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, we found the bees. Now shall we repeat the rhyme once again? Here is the beehive. Where are the bees? Hidden away where nobody sees. Watch and you'll see them come out of the hive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So children, did you like the rhyme? So we will learn more during our interactive classes. And that's all for today. Bye-bye.